Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable self-enrollment in Moodle. This feature allows students to enroll themselves in courses without manual intervention from the administrator or instructor. Let's get started. First, ensure that self-enrollment is enabled in the Manage Enroll plugins. To verify, navigate to Site Administrator, Plugins, Enrollments, and Manage Enroll plugins. If the eye icon is open, it means it is enabled. Now, let's enable self-enrollment for a specific course. Click on the course where you want to enable self-enrollment. In the course menu, find and click on Participants. Then click on the Enrollment Methods link in the Gear menu. In the Enrollment Methods page, click on the Add Method drop-down menu. Select Self-Enrollment Student. Next, let's configure the self-enrollment settings. Provide a custom enrollment key if you want to restrict access. This key will need to be entered by students when they enroll. Set the enrollment duration if you want to limit the time students are enrolled in the course. And other settings you want to include. For more information, you can click the Help icon to see the description of each setting. Once done, scroll down to the bottom and click the Add method. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable self-enrollment in a specific course in Moodle. The Enrollment Self button becomes visible to users once they gain access to the course. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.